In the vast expanse of Siberia, a mystery unfolded in the early 20th century. The Tunguska event remains an enigma, its cause as elusive as the wind. Imagine the raw power, a force capable of flattening a forest in seconds. Our scientist, driven by curiosity, ventures into the heart of the unknown. Like a detective at a crime scene, clues whisper from shattered trees. Each piece, a fragment of a cosmic puzzle, tests the edge of reality. Was it a meteor, a comet, or something stranger than we can fathom? The impact site holds its secrets tight, daring us to understand its truth. Perhaps the answer lies not in what we see, but what we imagine. The Tunguska event echoes, a reminder of the universe's awesome power.